Hey guys, how's it going? How to generate meeting notes with Otter.ai. So go ahead, use the Otter.ai. So go ahead and log in with your account. In my case, I already have my account. All right. And after you log in with your account, you're gonna be able to see the interface. All right. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to ask the Otter.ai to generate meeting notes for the climate change meeting, and hit the blue button. Sorry for that thing, right? Now they're looking across and gathering insights, but as you can see, they don't have a specific meetings about the climate change in my context, but you can use, you get the gist. If you have a meeting and used Otter.ai, you're going to be able to forward your file or attachment to basically generate meeting notes. Okay, so I would need details from an actual meeting that took place. Without that information, they can produce or accurate, meaningful notes. So let's have an example. The meeting talked about the harms of climate change and how we can move forward, right? So I can just go ahead and type the, let's say, the highlights. Waste food, environment damage, pollution. You can add more details to your meeting. So as you can see, they're gathering insight. So thank you for the providing intel. And as you can see right here, this is an example answer. All right. And basically you can generate the meeting note if you highlighted what's been said in that meeting. So that's another count. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.